case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1977 Supreme Court case of Commissioner v. Kowalski, the issue of whether meal allowances paid to state police troopers should be considered as taxable income under the Internal Revenue Code of 1954 was brought to the forefront. The respondent, a state police trooper in New Jersey, received a salary of $8,739.38 and an additional allowance of $1,697.54 for meals during the 1970 tax year. The state initiated the allowance system in 1949 to replace a meal station system that didn't work. Under the allowance system, troopers were not restricted in where to eat during their mid-shift break, including at home, and the allowance was paid bi-weekly, separate from the trooper's salary. The tax court determined that the allowance wasn't intended to represent additional compensation, but the Supreme Court had to determine if it should be taxed under the Internal Revenue Code. Ultimately, the court ruled that meal allowance payments made to the respondent couldn't be excluded from income under the 1939 Code, and the exclusion didn't apply after the 1954 recodification. Cash payments were excluded under the convenience of the employer doctrine, but not meal payments. As a result, the meal allowance was deemed taxable income.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.